In this video I would like to show you how to make something like this from roots like this. I looked at the shape of this piece of wood and I started cutting a little. I've choose where the top of the bowl will be. I'm grinding wood with a wood carving disc mounted on an angle grinder. For comfort and safety, it's worth fastening the wood well. It's as important as holding the grinder firmly. We can see the nice color on the bottom. What a pity it's not on the top. There is not too much space inside, so I use a stride grinder or T-grinder with a Kutzall burr. A belt sander is not necessary device for this, but I like to use it. I'm getting rid of the bark. I tap the bottom of the bowl. I mix 2-component epoxy resin and add dyes. I pour a little into each hole. I'll have to repeat the process later. When the resin is fully cured, I'm carving it again. Then I put a velcro disc. This is a soft disc. I'm especially careful with the edges. It's easy to make them angular, but I want them to be perfectly smooth. I changed sandpapers from grit 40 successively up to 150. I sand the base carefully so it's really flat. I impregnate the bowl with wood oil that is approved for contact with food. If we see that the wood doesn't absorb anymore, it's worth wiping off the excess. And it's good to repeat this process after it dry. I am satisfied with the final effect. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please check out my channel and subscribe if you want to see more in the future. See you!